Hello, I'd like to begin this session by having you think about yourself and how you have turned out as an adult based on Erikson's concept of psychosocial development. This will be something that you can add to your human relations paper and talk about if you developed mistrust, where did that come from? Because when you understand it, maybe you can let go of it. Do you have some shame and doubt about who you are? If you understand it, maybe you can let go of it. The same goes for a guilty feeling, inferiority, role confusion, isolation. None of you, well, most of you aren't in stagnation or despair. And none of you are in stagnation because you're in college. By the nature of being a college student, you are in generativity. So just pause the video for a little bit and reflect on this and take some notes about your own experience and then use those in your paper. Okay, so again, thinking about personality. I want you to watch this video and think about how personality develops. I'd like you to think about, do you think personality is genetic? Are you born the way you are? Or do you think it comes from your upbringing? This is the classic nature versus nurture. And it's important to think about that. And Brittany and Abigail, two people, two personalities, but one body, really kind of help us see what this experience is like and have us question how much of our personality is genetic and how much of it is environmental.